Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you how to break your section by a parameter, a hidden field. So let's add our section and we'll add some fields into it. Let's do a text and let's do a first name and a last name. So we'll bring in contacts and we will split them by its account. So we'll do last name and let's bring in an email, and that should do it. Let's just bring in a couple of hiddens so we can set our break by. So that will be the account ID, and this one will be the account name, which will display the label of the section by the account name. Okay, now let's head over to our section settings, and we'll select auto sizing so we can see it nicely, show our label, and head over to the advanced break by. So I want to break my section by the account ID, and I want to use the label of the section by the account name. Now that's enough with the section. Now let's head over to our get, add our contact object, and let's execute this on form load. And in our condition we're going to bring everything. So let's do 200 contacts and select the ID of the section that we want to break So this is my section here. It's better obviously if you name your sections, then it's easier to identify. And I'll just set a simple condition that I want the account ID not to be empty, because I'm breaking it by the account ID, and if I have some contacts that do not have an account ID, it will look a little funny. The next thing we want to do is sort by the account ID. So we'll get sorted results. Now the only thing we have left to do is to map our fields. So we have last name, we'll map it to last name. We have first name, we'll map it to the first name of the contact, and email. Now our hiddens. Great. Now let's set up our hiddens. So this one goes to the account ID. Set it to the account ID, and this guy goes to the account name. So let's add our name here. Apply and finish. Okay, this is fine. And save our form. Refresh this guy. And watch what it does. So Edge Communications has two contacts. So it will give you one section with two contacts in it. And Burlington has just one, so we got just the one, and so on. And Grand Hotels, you can see, has two. United Oil has a bunch, and so on and so on. And this is how it's done.